In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wrike desktop app, guiding you through each step in 2025 to ensure you have the application up and running smoothly on your computer. Let's dive right in. To get started, open up your favorite web browser. We'll begin by searching for instructions on downloading the Wrike desktop app. In your search bar, type how to download Wrike desktop app. Once you press enter, a list of search results will appear. Now you might come across a variety of options, but what you're looking for is a direct download link that leads you to the application's installer. If the initial links don't seem useful, feel free to scroll down until you find a method that works. In this case, a direct download link is highly efficient. Once you've identified the link, if you're using Windows, click on the link that should read something like https://dl.wrike.com/download/Wrike desktop app.latest.msi. This is the installer file for Wrike specifically designed for Windows operating systems. Clicking on it will initiate the download process. You should see the download progress at the bottom of your browser window or your designated download folder. After the file has finished downloading, it's time to open it. Locate the file, typically named with a.exe extension, in your downloads folder. Double-click to begin the installation. This action will prompt the setup process to get underway. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation. If any permissions or confirmations are requested, be sure to allow them to make sure it installs without a hitch. Next, once the installation wraps up, it's time to open the newly installed Wrike application. On a Windows PC, head to the Start menu and find Wrike in your list of programs. If you're using a Mac, you'll locate the app in the Applications folder. This should open the application and present you with a login screen. Now let's get you logged in. You'll need to enter your Wrike account credentials. This usually involves typing in the email associated with your Wrike account, followed by your password. If you prefer using a single sign-on SSO service like Google or Microsoft, and your account supports it, log in using those options instead. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and logged into the Wrike desktop app. You're now ready to take full advantage of the app's features to enhance your productivity and project management. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it straightforward and helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day!